Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn long vowel sound of vowel E. Long vowel sounds are different from the short vowel sounds. They are made when two vowels are used together in a word. Always remember, the first vowel says its name and the second vowel is silent. Always remember, the first vowel says its name and the second vowel is silent. For example, in leaf. In leaf, the first vowel says its name, that is letter E, and the second vowel A is silent. T. Beans. Team. Big. Reed. Meal. Leaf. Pig. P. Let us read more words. C. Wick. Hill. Lip. Dill. Meat. Seat. Heap. When two E are coming together, the sound becomes the long vowel E. Vowel E makes a long sound that sounds like the name of the letter E. The long vowel sound of E is E, as in B, and written with two E. Queen. Tree. B. Green. Sleep. Feed.